Hi everybody, this is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Today we're talking about oranges, and I have a list of foods divided into different categories that are known to pair well with oranges. So if you're looking for some meal ideas where you can include oranges or some recipe options ideas, hopefully this will help you out. In the protein category, that includes legumes, nuts, and seeds. Beans go well with oranges, and especially black beans and white beans. And then there's beef, chicken, chickpeas, fish, ham, and nuts such as almonds, cashews, hazelnuts, peanuts, pecans, pine nuts, pistachios, and walnuts, pork, sesame seeds, snow peas, tofu, and turkey. In the way of vegetables that go well with oranges, there's arugula, asparagus, beets, broccoli, broccolini, cabbage, especially red cabbage, carrots, celery root, chilies, chives, daikon radishes, endive, escarole, fennel, garlic, ginger, greens such as dandelion greens and salad greens, horseradish, jicama, lettuce, mushrooms, onions, parsnips, radicchio, radishes, rhubarb, rutabagas, scallions, shallots, spinach, squash, particularly winter squash, sweet potatoes, turnips, watercress, and yams. In the way of fruits, other fruits that go well with oranges, there's apples, apricots, avocados, bananas, berries, especially blueberries, raspberries, and strawberries, coconut, cranberries, dates, figs, fruit in general, and that includes fresh fruit and dried fruit. There's grapefruit, kiwi, lemon, lime, mangoes, olives, papayas, pears, pineapple, plums, pomegranates, pumpkin, and starfruit. In the way of grains and grain products that go well with oranges, there's barley, bulgur, cereals of any type, couscous, millet, noodles, in particular Asian noodles, quinoa, rice, seitan, and wild rice. In the way of dairy and non-dairy products, there's cheese, especially cream cheese, feta cheese, and goat cheese. And then there's cream, mascarpone, and yogurt. In the way of other foods that go well with oranges, there's brandy, chocolate, honey, liqueurs, especially orange liqueur, maple syrup, miso, Dijon mustard, oil, especially olive oil, sesame, and sunflower seed oils, soy sauce, sugar, especially brown sugar, tamari, vinegar, such as balsamic vinegar, champagne, apple cider vinegar, red wine vinegar, rice wine vinegar, sherry vinegar, and white wine vinegar, and also wine, in particular red wine. This is a long list, and I do hope it helps you out. It might have been easier to do a list of what doesn't go with oranges, huh? A lot goes with oranges. I hope this helps you out. Bye for now.